Here's some Haussmann's Paris trivia. Subscribe. Who designed the renovation of Paris in the 1850s? Is it A. Georges-Eugène Haussmann, B. Émile Zola, C. Henri Matisse, or D. Napoleon Bonaparte? The correct answer is A. Georges-Eugène Haussmann. What architectural style dominated Haussmann's Paris? Is it A. Gothic Revival, B. Haussmannian architecture, C. Neoclassical, or D. Baroque style? The correct answer is B. Haussmannian architecture. In which city did the urban renewal project take place? Is it A. New York, B. Paris, C. London, or D. Tokyo? The correct answer is B. Paris. Which emperor commissioned the Paris transformation? Is it A. Augustus Charlemagne, reigned long before the Paris transformation and was not involved in urban planning? B. Charlemagne C. Julius Caesar, or D. Napoleon III? The correct answer is D. Napoleon III. What year did the Haussmann renovation begin? Is it A. 1860, B. 1845, C. 1875, or D. 1853? The correct answer is D. 1953. What type of roads were notably widened? Is it A. highways, B. boulevards, C. alleys, or D. lanes? The correct answer is B. boulevards. Which public space was redesigned during this period? Is it A. Central Park, B. Place de l'Étoile, C. Trafalgar Square, or D. Times Square? The correct answer is B. Place de l'Étoile. What famous avenue was a result of Haussmann's work? Is it A. Boulevard Saint-Germain, B. Avenue Montaigne, C. Rue de Rivoli, or D. Champs-Élysées? The correct answer is D. Champs-Élysées. What new infrastructure was significantly improved? Is it A. roads, B. sewage systems, C. airports, or D. bridges? The correct answer is B. sewage system. Which area was a focal point for the changes? Is it A. city center, B. suburban outskirts, C. rural farms, or D. industrial zone? The correct answer is A. city center. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.